Welcome to Art with Miss Walsh at Home Edition. This week, we're drawing fruits. Be sure to check out all the videos so that you can draw each of the fruits. Don't forget, artists, you can always pause and rewind the videos as many times as you need. You'll need something to draw on and something to draw with. Let's get started. Okay, mini artist, we are going to make a pineapple. So a pineapple has two parts. It's got this part down here, it's the circle, this is the fruit, and then it has this part up here, these are the leaves. So this part, the green part, we're going to use a zigzag line to create this shape, and then we're going to use a curved line down here. We're going to connect it to make a circle. And then if we can use bump lines inside to put a little details. And then we'll color it with two colors, yellow and green. So let's go ahead and get started. You need a piece of paper and something to draw with. I'm going to use a marker so that you can see it. And we're going to start with the yellow fruit. So a pineapple, remember, it has a spiky top. So you need to leave enough space on your paper that you'll have, that spiky top. So here we go. We want to make a curved line in the shape of a circle. So a circle is round and it rolls. And lots of things are circles. Wheels on a car are a circle. A clock is a circle. Nice. Okay. A pineapple is a circle. So here we go. Now we want to use a zigzag line to make our leaves for our pineapple. So if you drew the strawberry already, you used a zigzag line to make the stem of the strawberry. So a zigzag line, remember, it can go down or it can go across. So a zigzag line goes up, down, up, down, up, down. And it's got a lot of pointy corners. And a separate, it almost looks like a triangle. Okay, so we want to make lots of zigzags in a line. So here we go. I'm going to start at the top, not in the middle. I'm going to move just a little bit over. And I'm going to come and I'm going to go out, in, out, in, out, in. One more. Out, in. It's like lightning, a lightning line. Let's do it again. We're gonna come out, in, out, in, out, in. Now they're not all the same, and that's okay. That's what we want, because these are leaves. Okay, now we have a space up here. So we want to close this space, this gap right here, with a zigzag line. So we're going to go up, down, up, down, up, down. So pay attention, because you don't need a lot of spikes. You just have to close that shape. Awesome. Okay, now we're going to use a new line. We want to use a bump line. So a bump line is like this. A bump, and then a bump, and a bump, and we can go on and on. So it's almost like letter M. A little letter M. A little M is this. So we want to make little M's, but we want to do it inside of our pineapple. Not outside like I did to show you, but inside. So we want to go bump, bump. Let's make one right here. Bump, bump. Let's try to do 3. Bump, bump, bump. I'm going to do another one up here. Bump, bump. Bump, bump, bump. That was so much fun. Let's just do one more. Bum, bum. Okay. I lied. Let's just do one more. Bum, bum, bum. At the bottom. Okay, guys. It looks fabulous. Now, there are 2 colors that we need to color our pineapple in. So we need green for the leaves and we need yellow for the fruit. So since we started drawing the pineapple, let's start coloring the leaves. So here's my tip for you. You want to color all the little tiny shapes first, all the tiny parts. So we want to color inside of the leaves, not outside the lines, but inside. And we want to take our time inside of all these little pointy zigzag areas that we made. So I like to get in the teeny tiny shapes first, inside the teeny tiny shapes. That way, when my hand is nice and fresh and it's not so tired, we can do the hard parts. I'm almost done. This is almost reminding me of a sunshine with all of these pointy zigzags. Okay, now you can tickle, tickle, tickle inside of the white space with the green crayon until you color all of it. Okay, nice. Okay, now we're gonna do the pineapple yellow and then we're all done with this guy. So here we go. I like to color all in the same direction. I like to go back and forth, back and forth. And I like to pretend that I'm tickling the shape. And I want to get every part. I'm going back and forth in a line. I want to find the white space. I want to find the parts that the crayon has not colored yet. You don't want to keep coloring over the same space unless there's white. So unless you can still see the paper, you want to move away from it because we're all done. You don't want to keep working hard on the same spot. Okay, guys. Awesome. A pineapple.